My name is Vishnu Gopal TV. I am a legal intern at Lexus and Company. I am from Cooperative School of Law, Thudupuzha, Kerala, and I am a third year student pursuing BBA LLB Honors. So today's topic for this video is a right to education, and the purpose of this video is to analyze regarding Article 21A, which deals with right to education. So as we know, Article 21A of the Indian Constitution deals with the fundamental right to education, and the 86th Amendment Act of 2002 inserted a new article, that is Article 21A. And Article 21A of the Indian Constitution states that the state shall provide free and compulsory education to all the children between say 6 to 14 years. So the Indian Constitution imposed a duty on the state under Article 45 of the Directive Principles of State Policy to provide free and compulsory education until the children attains the age of 14 years. So therefore, right to education is being recognized as a fundamental right to all the children till he or she attains the age of 14 years. So, and one of the right to and no one has the right to restrict the children up to 14 years of age from getting education and getting education or receiving education, because it's compulsory education have to be provided to the children till they attain 14 years of age. So here, in order to understand this concept of right to education, there is a need to analyze some of the important case laws. One of the important case law is Mohini Jain versus State of Karnataka. It is a case in 1992, and another case that has to be looked into is Unnikrishnan versus State of Andhra Pradesh. Now, it's a 1993 case, and also Pramati Education and Cultural Trust versus Union of India, which is the latest case that is in 2014. And first we can look on to Mohini Jain versus State of Karnataka. So here in this case, the petitioner, whose name is Mohini Jain, was denied education or denied admission into the medical college because of high capitation fee, that is of rupees 4 lakh or 4 lakh 50,000 and here per annum. So here the court held that the right to education of all levels is itself a fundamental right guaranteed under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution, and the charging high capitation fee like this for the admission is illegal and is amounted to the denial of a right to education that the citizen has under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. But in another case, Unnikrishnan versus State of Andhra Pradesh, the court overruled this decision and held that the right to education for children up to 14 years is a fundamental right, and after 14 years of age, it is the obligation of the state, which clearly depends upon the economic capacity and development of the state. And the Right to Compulsory Education Act 2009, it provides responsibility to the central government, state government, teachers, parents and community members in ensuring children are getting that is children between the age of 6 to 14 years are receiving free and compulsory education. So another important case is Pramati Educational and Cultural Trust versus Union of India, and here the court held that this clause 5 of Article 15 and Article 21A of the Indian Constitution does not alter the basic structure of the Indian Constitution and is constitutionally valid. So therefore we have analyzed in detail about the concept of right to education, its article, that is Article 21A, and some of the important and relevant case laws. So that's all about the topic, the right to education guaranteed under Article 21A. So you can like, subscribe and you can comment on my video, and do like and subscribe our YouTube channel Let's Click. Please give me a feedback regarding this video, and if you have any questions related to this video, you may please comment that question in the comment box, and I will be answering as soon as possible. So the video does not solicit any types of promotion or advertising advertisement as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of this video is for educational purposes only. So by saying these words, I'm concluding. Thank you.